Fr.Agnelo YSC Paroda defeated entere YSC by 5-0 to enter the quarterfinals of the Cavelossim Panchayat Rolling Trophy Inter-Village Football Tournament. Paroda drew first blood in the 10th minute when Cavelossim scored from a pass by Kanchan Kiro. Arley tried their best to level the score, but wayward shooting by Garrison Fernandez and Alan Fernandez denied them any goal with the score 1-0 at lemon time. In the second half, David Fernandez scored a solo goal, which was followed by Reslin Negreiro, who made it 3-0. Towards the end, Joel Furtado scored a break to make it 5-0 and earned the Man of the Match award. Inasa Narona for Herald TV.